Every officer in the public service, starting with me, shall be held to full account for all resources under their authority. The third critical strategic decision was to invest in agriculture and food security, together with other pillars of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda, in order to stimulate growth in the productivity of our farmlands and rural economies. But having done so, it is necessary for us to enhance market access for our produce locally, nationally, and internationally. To enhance access to credit by farmers in the next financial year, we are allocating Kenya shillings 1 billion to the Agricultural Finance Corporation to provide affordable credit to farmers. Additionally, we are collaborating with the Afri-Exim Bank to provide another Kenya shillings 15 billion to AFC to support increased lending to our farmers in all sectors that are in. The Indian Exim Bank will also support AFC to enhance our agricultural mechanization agenda, providing farm inputs to farmers at low rates and making sure that we use appropriate mechanization mechanisms. I want the people of Kenya to understand that our advocacy of integration is part of our traditional commitment to regional cohesion and solidarity. The Pan-African imperative and the expansion of market access and linkages with the trade investment counterparts for our producers beyond our borders is absolutely necessary. I stand here, therefore, to urge our farmers and other agriculture sector entrepreneurs to work with renewed confidence, with the assurance that their labor will meet demand in Kenya, East Africa, common market,